Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 你 step by step. I will write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. 李 李 inside, internal. 一里 is 500 meters. For example, 里面里面 inside. What's inside your bag? 你的包里有什么？你的 your 包 bag 里有什么 What's inside your bag? 你的包里有什么 This is my casual handwriting of 你 Check it. 里 inside, internal. 里面 inside. What's inside your bag? 你的包里有什么 Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 你 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.